The second step of secure offboarding is the deprovisioning workflow. The deprovisioning workflow would start on the day of separation for this employee. The first thing we would do is set the employee status to offboarding and to make sure that we deprovision them in the identity management and single sign-on application that this company uses. In this workflow example, this company is using Okta, so we want to make sure on the day of separation to deactivate their Okta accounts, which will automatically log them out of all of the SaaS applications, as well as invalidate all their open browser sessions to make sure they're immediately logged out of any application they may still be using. From there, we're going to look at all of the endpoints that this user has to make sure that, if it's an Apple device, we're remotely locking that endpoint in Jamf. And if it's a Windows device, in this case, we are remotely locking that endpoint in VMware's Workspace ONE application. Of course, both of these are just examples of MDM and configuration management tools that we have integrations to. We integrate to 100+ systems everywhere else. A follow-on step here could be that we look at any cloud or infrastructure ownership that this employee has assigned to them to make sure that we spin down those instances or change ownership right away. We have so many horror stories, and I'm sure you've heard these as well, where an employee leaves the company but still has access to, for example, an AWS or EC2 instance weeks or even months after they finished working at the company. For obvious reasons, this is a major security issue. And finally, in the deprovisioning phase, although we've already deactivated the users from Okta, so we've taken them out in a way of being able to log into their core SaaS apps, we still need to offboard those licenses and start to bring them back into the entitlement pool. This has a huge financial efficiency for the company, especially if it happens right here on the day of offboarding or separation, such that the company can proactively start planning ahead and revitalizing the inventory of those SaaS application seats. So just with this one offboard SaaS licenses block, we're able to launch a number of other workflows which will reach into the individual SaaS systems that you are using and claw back those seats and licenses to the entitlement pool. Now, let's take a look at the next workflow in our secure offboarding set of events.